Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver latest version, that is 25.3 on Ubuntu Linux 24.04 LTS version. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL from the Dbeaver. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Dbeaver official website, it is dbeaver.io. See here, it is a universal database tool. Dbeaver community is a free open source database management tool recommended for personal projects, manage and explore SQL databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache family and more. See here we have the 25.3, which is the latest version at the time of making this video. And we have two versions, community and pro. Pro is the commercial version, community is the open source version. Click on download, scroll down. See here we have the Linux Debian package. Click on it. Wait a moment, see download started and its size is 119 megabytes. See download completed, open terminal, go to downloads directory, ls, now install this package, sudo dpkg-i, then dbeaver, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user, hit enter. See we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications. See here we have the Dbeaver C. C means community edition. Click on it to open. Close this one. I don't want sample databases. Now click on this new database connection or go to database and select new database connection. Both are same. Then select the MySQL. Click on next. If you want to connect PostgreSQL, you have to select the PostgreSQL. MySQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. If it is installed on some other, then provide that host name. 3306 is the port for the MySQL. I have the database bank. Provide the user which is there on this host. Then provide the password of this root account. Then click on text connection. Click on download driver files. This is the expected error. Okay, click on OK. Go to driver properties. See here, allow public key retrieval. By default it is false. Make it as, change it to true. Then click on text connection. See successfully connected to MySQL server 8.4.8. Click on OK. Click on finish. See we got the MySQL server. Expand databases. If you want to run queries against this database, right click. Then select SQL editor. Then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries here. Okay. Select it and click on execute. So you got the output. Okay. So this is the way to connect to MySQL server. If you want to connect PostgreSQL, let me disconnect this one, right click, disconnect, then delete the connection. Connect to PostgreSQL, new database connection, PostgreSQL, click on next, same, provide the password, then click on text connection. This is the way. Click on download for driver files. See successfully connected, finish, expand databases, same way, right click, SQL editor, open SQL console. This is the way. Okay, control A, ls, we have successfully installed, so remove this file. Ls, we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to download and install Dbeaver latest version on Ubuntu 24.0. Then we have seen how to connect both MySQL and PostgreSQL servers from the Dbeaver. Okay, for more database tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.